We're up $5,000 on our Bitcoin mining companies. We are $58,000 up on our crypto account. So we have proof to show you guys this stuff is actually working. Good morning, guys. Travis Martin here. Hey, I know you guys see Jake a lot on these videos, but I want to come out and give you guys a taste of what I'm seeing, if that's okay. Guys, we just came out with the future forecast, and I want you guys to watch this because here's the reason why. We're looking to take profit. About $15,000 to $20,000 is what I think we're going to be able to secure. Actually, we're heading up this morning. Pretty nice. We own $25,000 worth of Right, which is a Bitcoin mining company, and $25,000 worth of Marathon Digital. I'm going to show you guys where I'm looking to exit. Because if you look at these mining companies, there are some certain levels that if you're not exiting it, I think we're going to see a huge crash on Bitcoin mining companies coming up here in the next, I would say, 3 months. And I explained to you guys why, but to give you guys a quick, in a nutshell here, Bitcoin mining companies, once the ETF is released, and the best date we can find is that all of these need to be approved or denied by January 10th, okay? What I think is going to happen is that all of these mining companies are working off their current power contracts, which power contracts is just an incredible metric you need to be tracking because it's just one of their greatest expenses to run these mining rigs. My theory goes like this, is that if the ETF is released around January 10th, you're going to see Bitcoin mining companies absolutely explode because they're going to show incredible revenue on their balance sheets for Q4 of 2023 and Q1 of 2024. Now, fast forward with me. April 20th of 2024, I'm going to do 24 here, is the halving event. But this is when Bitcoin mining rewards get cut in half. So there is about a 3 to 4 month period on mining companies where they really, really struggle after the halving event because their revenue just got cut in half. It's what's called the Bitcoin halving event. So I'm going to be trading this with you guys, and obviously we're in profit right now, but watch where I have those levels. And if you guys want to come over and watch me literally trade Bitcoin mining companies, Right and Mar in our future forecast every Tuesday and Friday, like join a membership and check this out. On top of the membership, I have so much more to show you in this video, guys. Give me 1 second here. We just won some more trades yesterday. We are at 97 wins and 0 losses on our scalping record. This is a public sheet we keep out to the public. Guys, 97 wins, 0 losses in 7 trades. And I just ended up calling out 3 more trades for everybody this morning. You guys can see on 11/21. We have the highest win record, I say this humbly, ever recorded on YouTube to scalp crypto. Ever. 97 wins, 0 losses, and we just called some trades out this morning. So if you guys want to see that, follow what I'm about to show you. If you guys go over to tradeconfident.io, and I'm going to do a bunch of analysis after this, go to tradeconfident.io. I'm already logged in, but you're going to see a subscribe button up here. Click that subscribe button, and you guys will be brought to this page. Our membership is only $59 a month. After this video, guys, get a membership, watch the future forecast, look at the trades we just called out for you guys. It's really going to bless you guys. Here's why. We are going to be upping our membership price as we go into this bull run and we go into the halving event. We are going to be upping it. It was $95 a month. We dropped it all the way back down to help people in a recession. We will grandfather everybody in who gets in at $59 a month. Watch all my future forecasts where I'm going to be trading my account up to $1 million profit challenge, 97 wins, 0 losses, and we are going live with you guys as a family. Actually, the week after Thanksgiving. So the last Thursday of this month after Thanksgiving, we're going to go live in our membership. And we'll talk about a bunch of fun things there. But let's continue this analysis. If you guys want to snag that, there's a link in the description. I'm going to pull up Jake's video. This first link you guys see, which is 4 days left, is our Black Friday sale. And the second one, just join right here, which is our $1 million profit account challenge. Speaking of the $1 million profit account challenge, let's take a look at that bad boy right now. We're currently sitting at 376. Let's refresh this. What are we sitting at here, Bitcoin? Hey, we made $2,000 refreshing our page. We're at 78,000, let's just call it 378. It's dinking around here in our account. Our break even, guys, for our crypto account is $320,000 for 2023. So we are $58,000 in profit for this year. We actually were in profit quite a bit more than that because we reached about $410,000, which was insane. Here's what I want to kind of wrap this video up and show you guys a quick little study. I go over this really in depth. I know I'm not going to go over every single detail of this, but you need to see this. What I did for our members this morning is something that I've never seen anyone pull yet anywhere online. My thought was this. I said, what if we could look from the current date to the halving event? And it's roughly 145, 147 days, give or take. We don't know the exact date, but April 20th is the closest date everybody has at the moment. Okay. What I did is I looked at every halving event. Okay. Every halving event that's taking place on Bitcoin and the prior 100, I'm going to call this 47 days before the halving event. Okay. What has happened with price action between here and here on every single halving event? That is what I show you guys because there's some patterns that have repeated every single halving event that I don't know if you guys see. But then on top of that, we take it to another level where we look at the ratios of a HODL ratio and a selling ratio. Meaning, is it better to hold all positions right now, or is it better to look to sell and reacquire based off price action patterns that have happened in the last 145 to 147 days prior to the last 3 halving events? The data, guys, is going to blow you guys away. Watch that. I'm just giving you guys a precursor of the data. I open up every single one of these charts individually, but then we also take that data and we forecast where the exact peak of Bitcoin should be coming within the next 2 months and how much drawdown you guys should be expecting in the market. Trust me, that this $59 is worth everything because we come out with 8 future forecasts like this every single month. Okay, guys, on top of that, can I show you guys a quick piece of data that you should be aware of? Bitcoin addresses, just watch this. I go over this in the analysis as well this morning with our members, but just be aware of this. Bitcoin addresses holding 10 or more Bitcoin, which is, I'm going to round this to $350,000 if that's okay. They're selling, guys. And we can see this as quite a good leading indicator in the market where when these guys are buying, the market is usually flattening out or it's going to increase. And we've been seeing an incredible amount of divergence over here where some whales are selling into the market. Now, it doesn't hold true every single time, but I'll show you guys in the future forecast this morning that there is a level that has, guys, there's 9 billion. Let me draw this out so you guys can actually hear me correctly. There is $9 billion worth of liquidated longs that are going to be taken out of the market if we hit this level. And it's exactly where I think Bitcoin could be moving back down to before we see the move back up. I'll show you down to the penny where that is, and I'll show you guys how to access that data in the future forecast this morning. Again, I know it may sound like a lot of sales. Guys, I know you love your YouTube videos, but I'm telling you, grab a membership for $59 a month before we up the membership and watch all of these future forecasts that I come out with. Like I just did this one this morning, watch this one that I did prior to that. So much analysis goes into these future forecasts that we never show you guys the charts on YouTube here because we do it just for our members, okay? Last but not least, let's go over this, guys. I am watching very closely for the next sell signal that's coming out on Bitcoin over here because the top and bottom finder, which is called the Trade Confident top and bottom finder, has been the most accurate indicator ever to predict tops and bottoms in crypto. We compare this with Glassnode, Santiment, CryptoQuant, all those big on-chain data analysis. There's not another indicator that has done better at calling peaks than the top and bottom finder. I'll show you guys how to get a discount on that in 1 second on our Black Friday sale. But what we're doing is you guys are seeing this on my chart over here in the future forecast and it's staring everyone in the face. You need to watch for the next sell signal on the top and bottom finder. So I'm going to show you guys how to set up alerts so you guys can be prepared. I'll show you guys how to get this indicator in a second. Once it's on your charts, come over here to the plus sign and I want you guys to come over here and I want you guys to click top and bottom finder. And I want you guys to go not to buy. You can do that. It has incredible reentries. We put $100,000 into the market between December 20th and December 23rd of 2022. That was a really good entry because our trades in favor indicator down here was about a 65% chance of a move up. We had a buy signal. We saw whale money flow was heading out of the market. That's one of the reasons why we have these indicators. They work really well and we use these for our scalping trades, which is 97 wins and 0 losses. All right, come over here and click sell. I want you guys to go to once per bar close, and I want you to name this Bitcoin sell signal. All right, and then create this. I already have this created for myself, so I don't want to do it again. Once you have the sell, I want you guys to do what's called a strong sell signal and do the same thing, but I want you guys to do strong sell signal and create that. To turn strong sell signals on, you guys are all going to follow these steps right here. You're going to come over here. You're going to turn on the settings. You're going to go over to style and you're going to turn on shapes and it's going to be the purple. This is going to turn on what we call strong sell and strong buy signals. Yes, these are incredible signals as well. All right. Watch for the next sell signal because it has been the most accurate indicator to predict the drops before they happen. And on top of that, I know you guys have seen this if you've watched my channel, not another metric in the industry was able to call the exact month peak of the last bull market except for the Trade Confident top and bottom finder. I did not code this. This was coded by a buddy of mine and his team for 4 years. He set out to create the best indicator to call tops and bottoms, specifically in crypto, and I think we had that. The greatest drop we had in all of 2023 was also called only by this indicator. Okay, I can't take credit for this. A lot of our members use this, and we go over this in every future forecast because of the accuracy of it. All right, here's how you guys get this indicator, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get more. But go over to our indicators page. Again, I'll pop up this video that Jake did yesterday. Did a great job on this. Our indicator link is right here. There is 4 days remaining for everyone to get our biggest sell. Listen to this. We have never ran an indicator sell bigger than this in the history of our business. The indicator pro pack is going to include the trades in favor indicator that I showed you guys. The breakout detector, we call this our jackpot indicator. Please use it responsibly. The biggest moves will happen when your breakout detector flashes and it turns on. So watch that. I have a video to show you guys as well. We have color support and resistance changing lines. This is the first indicator ever of its kind to actually automatically change the resistances and supports live with color. It is insane. Click this and you guys can watch it yourself. Price to swell money flow and then trend dashboard. If you guys get this, you guys can recreate my charts that look like this, where we have the trades in favor and the price to swell money flow and the trend dashboard up here and some other indicators. We use these to call scalping trades. But the big deal that everyone's really excited about on this is that when you guys purchase the Pro Pack, if you are a member, you pay $59, we are immediately going to give you guys $250 off our Pro Pack. So you pay $59 and we're going to give you $250 off. But when you buy the Pro Pack, we're going to immediately give you guys $400 off the top and bottom finder if you buy the Pro Pack. Now, I know some of you guys are like, look, Travis, I just want this bad boy right here. Like, I get the other indicators are great. I just want this. And I don't blame you. Here's what you guys want to do today. If you don't want to get a membership, I suggest you do, but if you don't want to get a membership, use coupon code SAVE250 and we will literally give you guys $250 off the top and bottom finder today. Click this link right here, check out, use coupon code SAVE250. If you guys get a membership for $59 a month, you can take all of our scalping trades, watch me trade my account up to $1 million, and you guys can see all the analysis I just told you guys I was going to show you today. And then on top of that, we're going to give you $350 off the top and bottom finder. So you will make your money up immediately if you just get a membership, because we're going to give you an extra $100 off. We are doing this because we know our stuff works. We have the highest win record every quarter on YouTube. We're very humbled by that for scalping trades. Our entries are doing very well. We have proof of this to show you guys profit that we have in our account. We're up $5,000 on our Bitcoin mining companies. We are $58,000 up on our crypto account. So we have proof to show you guys this stuff is actually working. I'm not a financial advisor. I am not your financial advisor, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. And if you want to look at what I'm doing in the future forecast, get a membership, put the indicators on your charts, and I will train you guys and show you guys how we're trading this market. All right, guys, I love you. God bless you so much. Jake's got some more videos coming out. Take advantage of us on this Black Friday sale that we've got going on, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye, guys.